How many traits should you have? What is the sweet spot? How many can you have? There are collections with 200. There are collections with 450. The sweet spot is 150, but you don't need to limit yourself. You can really go crazy with that. Just keep in mind, the more traits you have, the more work you as a creator have for yourself when you are in the software program that you're using, figuring out what goes with what should go where. You have to do all of that ahead of time. When your collection posts, all of the traits that you've created will perfectly seamlessly go with whatever properties you want them to connect to. That is the thing about traits that you have to keep in mind. The more traits you have, the more work you're making for yourself as the creator, because you are the one that's going to be putting all of that together in the software program before you upload it to a marketplace. Top collection properties and traits and what those quantities are. It is a collection of almost 10,000 NFTs, Goblin Town. There are 11 main properties, 205 traits, 13 of those being rare. The next one is Bored Ape Yacht Club. That is a 10K collection. It has 8 properties and 175 traits. But if you look at mutant apes, that will have changed. Azuki is another 10K collection. It's got 13 properties and 469 traits. This is why you do not want to limit yourself. If you come up with a fantastic theme and you start blending things together and you go crazy and you come up with fabulous traits, go for it. Don't think, oh my gosh, that's too many. Go for it. It might just be exactly what you need. Moonbird, 10,000 NFTs with only 9 properties, 126 traits, that's not very many, and 8 rare. And if you look at them, they're just a pixelated NFT. Murakami Flowers. This is by a very famous artist. He created this collection of 8,400 NFT flowers. He did 11 different properties, but 454 traits within that collection. That is a lot. So do not limit yourself. Another very, very simple sort of family-friendly collection, Doodle, 10,000 NFTs, right on target with 7 properties, 272 traits, and 20 assorted rare NFTs for collectibles. Highly collected right now. That is why it is super important for you to think about, what do you want to do with your collection? What do you want to do with properties? Do you want to do 7 properties? Do you want to do 15 properties? It's up to you. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. If you like this video, you know I love those likes. Thank you guys so much for being here. We appreciate you. We love that you're here, and we'll see you in the next video.
Toodles.
Ciao, guys.